It's a top dead center now. Watch the action as I push on this. You hear it snap? See if I can do it from this side so you can see it. See that? It shouldn't snap down and lock like that. There's something weird going on in there. The intake on that same side is operating what I consider to be normally. The other side, the left-hand side, is not at top dead center, so I can't show you right now. But this just doesn't seem right. I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to lift these rocker boxes off and take a look inside.